Insert the front cover from the headrest position, zip up. Attach the hinges. Insert the hinges to the seat gap. Attach the hooks. Cover the base. Attach the hook. Put on headgear. Install the back backrests. Connect with Velcro cover. Install the headgear. Attach and insert the hinges of backrest to seat gap. Attach and insert the hinges of rear base to seat gap. Cover rear base and insert fixed buckle to seat gap. Rear base. Fix the middle pad. Car seat covers full set display.